guys, I hope you all are doing well and staying at home. So right after I finish this blabbering, you're gonna see a beautiful compilation of what would you rather do challenge with some very special people of my life. And I have done this challenge just to, interact with my friends and know a bit more about them. What would you rather do is a very interesting and funny game and a very good source of entertainment for everyone. You can play this with your friends and find out crazy things about them. So let's start.
What would you choose? To have a golden voice or a silver tongue?
To have a golden voice like Lata Mangeshkar and be the most amazing singer all over the world.
What would you rather do? Taste your own poop or never use your Instagram ever again?
I cannot taste my own food.
So you're ready to quit your Instagram forever?
Just quit my Instagram. Chalega. I will use WhatsApp and Facebook.
Huh? Okay. Okay, I think I would go to a job interview with a letter stuck in my teeth only because I can't brush my teeth and go on a date. I mean, date is important, dude. What would you rather choose? To win a lottery of 100 crore rupees or to live your life twice?
I would rather choose to have the lottery of fucking 100 crore rupees, dude. That's like, yo, let's have it. Can I have it like right here, right now?
No,
Yeah.
no, not at all.
Oh, because here's the thing, why would I live a life twice? Like, even this life, I don't want to live twice because my job, I live it 100%, right, in the moment. So it's better to, cry in a Mercedes Benz than cry on a cycle.
What would you rather choose? To smell like a fish for rest of your life and stay alive, or to be cooked like one and be eaten by someone? To smell like a fish? No one gonna date you ever.
Would you rather date a good kisser
Huh?
or a good lover?
Okay. I'll date a good kisser, of course.
And please be honest, huh?
Yeah,
Please.
I'll be honest. I'll date a good kisser.
Yeah.
I mean, I think I am one, so I need samne wala
you are.
also to be.
Would you rather choose true love or your dream job?
Okay.
Yeah.
So, what would you rather be? Whiskey or vodka? And why this one? And why not the other one as well, yeah?
I mean, I can be both of them.
No, but-
Be whiskey because
Why?
I am single malt, tasty bitch.
Tipsy.
Why not vodka? Because male बहुत सारे ऐसे होते हैं who doesn't prefer vodka, so I won't be whiskey. So I'll be preferable इसके लिए.
Oh, that way. Nice. I like.
What would you rather choose? To be trapped in a lift with an old man with 3 horny dogs or 3 fat men constantly farting?
I would. It's a funny scenario, like it's very disgusting.
I know.
But okay.
I know it is.
I would prefer an old man with their dogs. I'm okay with dog. I'm a dog lover. I would love that.
Horny dogs.
Rather
Did you
than
hear
being
that
stuck
word?
in-
Horny?
Sorry?
Did you hear that
Horny
word?
dog.
Horny dogs.
Okay, let them do their work. I'm okay in my place. I can't bear the farting thing. That will live. Would you rather lose of all your teeth or all your hair?
I'll go bald. I'll lose all my hair. In fact, I'm ready to lose all over my hair. Like every hair. What would would you rather choose to know? When will you die or how will you die?
I would choose when will I die.
Why is that so?
So that maybe I could complete my to-do list.
Okay, makes sense.
What would you prefer, a mental hospital or a rehab center?
Mental hospital for sure. To meet crazy friends just like me.
They will also be unique.
What would you rather choose to spend your day with a visible panty liner or a lipstick on your teeth?
Okay. So I think I am used to this lipstick thing
Okay, you're already
because
used
it
to
happens every time.
Your lipstick
Yeah, because every
is
time
always on
you
your
go
teeth.
for shows, then not always, but yeah, like we go for shows and all, and then it happens. It's on your teeth and it's visible. People tell you that remove your mark. It's there. It's visible.
What would you rather choose? Be married to a 10 with a bad personality or to a 6 with an amazing personality?
I'll marry someone strict with a good personality because anyways personality matters so much in life. So I marry someone strict, but anyways I'm staying with a strict parent. So that's like marrying a good personality. That's it. Nothing. My world won't change.
What would you rather choose, to go naked for a day or quit your cell phone for a year?
I would rather quit myself for a year.
You'll be able to do that.
I will got my boyfriend at home only.
Hey, one second. Yeah, there's something like the elegance that you are. I don't know if a lot of people know about that elegance, but I see that elegance in you. So let's see. What would you rather? Which flower would you rather be? Okay, would you be a rose like gulab ka phool, or would you be वो रात रानी पता है जो
Night
दिखती
queen.
नहीं है वो उसका एसेंस आते रहता है.
हाँ.
Yeah. Which one would you be?
I would be night queen. Though मुझे night queen का smell नहीं पसंद है, but I would be night queen because I mean, you know, I want my presence everywhere. Like वो होता है ना एक चीज. I want that my fucking presence everywhere. वो चीज चाहिए मुझे. For that matter, I want to be night queen. If you had to choose one, what would you rather choose? To be able to stop time or to be able to fly in the sky?
To be able to stop time.
Why?
I want to freeze this time.
My cheeks are becoming tomatoes.
Would you rather
Mm-hmm.
eat a small can of dog food or eat 6 overripe bananas?
I eat dog food rather because I have a dog and I have a bundle of dog food at my home. If I have due to lockdown, if I have nothing to eat, I'll eat dog food rather, and I love it. When I've tasted it, huh?
If you are allowed to have a power, which power would you choose, to read minds or to predict future?
I would choose read minds.
Okay, why is that so?
Because you need to know what's going on with people these days. Basically, friends, relationship, parents, everybody. Everybody is going through some stress. Like to know what's going on in their mind. So, even
Would you rather have a height of 4.2
Okay.
or 7.1?
Okay, I would always prefer to have a height of 7.1, 8.1, 10.1, whatsoever. Even if I'm not able to adjust in my house, I would always rather to have a longer and longer and longer height, even if it's a disorder. I would love it. I want to stand out of the crowd and look tallest like an Eiffel Tower. I would love it.
What would you rather choose? To meet an alien like Jadoo or to keep your cell phone for your rest of your life?
I choose Jadoo. Because if I have Jadoo, I can make all connections directly. No need of SIM card. What will you choose? wear someone's dirty underwear or use someone's old toothbrush?
Used toothpaste. I know both of them is so weird. I'll prefer. I mean, rather than wearing someone's dirty underwear, I will prefer using their used toothbrush. I know I trust my mouth so much. Losing which ability? Ability to taste or ability to see?
Ability to taste.
Okay. So in that case, you'll be able to eat shit.
That's fine, but I want to see the world. Like,
Would you rather have hiccups for the rest of your life or always feel like you have to sneeze but you're not able to?
Ish. Oh my god. Sneezing and not able to is just a disaster. I would rather hiccup for rest of my life. I mean, not able to sneeze is. I know, but not able to sneeze is more painful, darling.
If you wake up the next morning, what would you rather choose to be? With a different face but the same gender, or the different gender, same face?
I would prefer another gender.
Different gender.
Because another gender. We should always try something new.
We should always try something new.
so, would you rather have more time or more money?
Okay, I would always love to have more money because life has become so uncertain nowadays. You heard of Irfan Khan, you heard of Rishi Kapoor. Life is so uncertain.
Yeah.
So I would have more money, spend it off like a queen, and like live my lavish life. Ended off, no worries at all. If you are stuck on an isolated island and you have only two choices to eat. One is your own poop and second is your best friend.
There should be some seafood, right?
No, there's no seafood. You have only two options.
Obviously, I'll eat mine.
Really?
Not my best friend.
Would you rather fart every time you laugh or burp every time you cry?
Okay. I'll burp every time I cry. It's better than farting every time. Yeah, that. What would you rather choose? Having a long neck like a giraffe or having a long nose like a vampire?
Of course, long neck.
What would you like to be? Means you have two options, either powerful or famous.
I want to be powerful forever, like powerful, because if I'll be powerful, I'll be saving lives and I'll be as famous as Krish. So I want to be powerful.
Yeah.
I have to have every fucking power in this world. I'll touch thing and become gold, then I'll be rich as well. No, you can make money, you can be famous, you can have all celebrities at your bloody house dancing in your sangeet, and you can do fucking anything if you're powerful. So you need to, I want to be powerful and I wish I become one.
What would you rather eat? A poop, I mean shit, that tastes like chocolate, or a chocolate that tastes like shit? I know it's very horrible, but yes, you have to answer that. Mm-hmm.
I'd choose a chocolate actually.
That tastes like shit? Okay. So why won't you eat a shit that would taste like a chocolate? At least you'll be eating something cool.
Today's generation, what you get is that everything's like take the shit or
That's funny.
Would you rather have the ability to read people's mind or make two people fall in love with you?
Definitely read people's mind, because today, we are in a generation where reading others' mind is so important. You don't know what the fuck the abuses are coming from others' mind for you. So it's quite important for you to read others' mind. What would you rather have? Your breath that smells like a fart or your laughter that sounds like a fart?
Okay.
Okay,
breath.
you told me that you hate farting, so uske liye I got this question specially to hit you like
Yeah.
a no mercy question for you.
Obviously, I will choose. I won't choose farting from the mouth. Like it's like, gee, rather it's okay to have a sound. It's okay to have a sound like farting. I won't laugh at all. I will smile. I can't. I can't be so disgusted. But if मैं बाजू में आके नहीं बैठेगा, it will be that embarrassing.
If you are given a chance to reincarnate yourself, would you rather be human or an animal?
I'll definitely an animal. I'll be a lioness. Yeah, if I have to inculcate myself and be and something else, so I'll be a lioness. What I am right now.
Wildcat.
Yeah, what I am right now as well.
If you are a director of a movie and you have to cast one of these heroines, whom will you choose? Sunny Leone or Mia Khalifa?
Oh, come on, it's Mia.
So am I. I mean,
She will do it better.
She'll do it better. Everything.
Any which way. Yeah, everything.
Yeah.
And would you rather wish to have your chum spawn on your very first date with your boyfriend, or when you're out for an outing with your family at a beach or a resort?
I would love it to have when I'm with my family.
Then you won't be able to go in the pool.
It's okay. It's okay.
Okay.
I don't want it to come when I'm with my boyfriend.
So you would like to spend your time with your pet or with your best friend?
Okay. I would spend time with my pet, of course. I would choose pet. It's just like I have to choose one of the options. So the reason I'm choosing pet, otherwise I would like both of them are so close to me. I would if I had to choose an option, so pet. What would you rather prefer? Having no one at your marriage or having no one at your funeral?
It's very tough. And no one at the marriage.
Why?
Because every person who attends the marriage, I have to give the expense.
Would you rather be with a guy who has a great work ethic or a guy who plays hard?
The guy who plays hard. I mean, work ethic is something that you find in a wholesale market in tons of people.
Yes.
But that is something very personal.
What would you rather choose? To have no hair at all on your body or be completely hairy? No hair includes the hair is on the head as well. All over the body, everywhere the mustache and the beard as well. Oh my god, oh my god. Hats off to you.
King, do you really want to be rich as fuck? Or if you find true love, that is enough for you?
No, man, no true love. Fuck, who needs bloody true love? I don't want true love. I want money, dude. Money can bloody find everything, every fucking thing. I would rather stay in a rich posh car and cry because of depression or not having a true love, rather than staying with a true love, some guy or someone, and have a non-lavish life. Bye, true love.
What would you rather choose? An eye drop of vinegar or a toilet paper of sandpaper?
Oh! I choose a toilet paper of sand. So that way I could have a smooth ass, right?
Okay.
Choose between model and being an actor.
Well, okay. I would always choose to be a model because I think my acting skills are horrible, totally horrible. So I would choose to be a model.
Would you rather see the world but be poor?
Okay.
Stay in one place, just one place, and be rich.
Okay, you mean I need to stay?
So you're not gonna get chance to go and sit in Mercedes and go everywhere you
I would
want.
either have a Mercedes in my garage, dude. That's matter. I want to be rich. I don't know. I want to be rich. That's what matter right now.
Okay.
When I want to have fucking ton. I can post my photos on Instagram. And I would have a lot of, this thing, packages coming at my home, and I can do a lot of things. I can stay at home, I can make my videos, and I can do a lot of things, but I want to be rich. I can be a great influencer in that case.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. I request you to please write your suggestions in comment section, and thank you so much. My wholehearted thanks to everyone who have joined me in this beautiful compilation and helped me to make this very, very, very entertaining video. Thank you so much. Love you all, and please stay at home.